Hello there and welcome. I'm starting a mobile repairing class this time around and it's really gonna be cool. You understand, we're really gonna be talking about a lot of things. Then I'm gonna give you mobile repairing course from the basics to the advanced troubleshooting. You understand? So you really gonna learn about everything. You understand? So you can join from any country as long as you can pay for the class. You can register for the class, then there is no problem with that. So in this class, we're really gonna talk about everything from troubleshooting to understanding how everything works on a mobile PCB. You understand? There are some people who have registered already and there are some who are still trying to find a way to pay. Okay, so what I want you to understand that because I get a lot of people, someone will message me then say, what is it we really gonna talk about in the class? Then I will write down all the topics. Then he will be like, but those are things that we have talked about on your channel. Okay, so I want you to understand something. You really have to chill. You understand? You really have to chill because I mentioned topics in which we have talked about on my channel. Does not mean that you know everything about that. You understand? Okay, so because if I really want to make a full troubleshooting course video about the third mobile phone, then that video will be around 2 hours. So you can see a video of a 15-minute video and you will be like, okay, you already know everything about troubleshooting a third mobile phone. So that is why I mentioned all the topics. So looking at the topics and familiar with does not mean that you know everything about that, because this repairing course is gonna be in a way that you will fully understand everything with detail. So if I want to be making videos with all the details, that means that all of my videos will be at least 1 hour. So if you are interested in this, then here is my WhatsApp number. You're just gonna message me on WhatsApp for more information on how you're gonna pay, then how the classes will be. You understand? And if you have any questions right here, you can ask me right down there in the comment section.